Good evening, everyone. I am participating in the roundtable organized by ADBI, OECD, and OJK Indonesia on insurance and retirement savings in this week here in Yogyakarta. This event is an annual event organized by these parties and quite unique. The focus is on insurance in general, not only about public insurance, but also private insurance. So they bring all stakeholders working on the insurance sectors together and discuss the collaboration and the linkage and different roles to play by different institutions. There is an increasing trend in the private insurance markets in Asia, and it was presented by many different countries today, and you can probably find materials that they presented on the OECD website. There are hundreds and thousands of insurance companies and agents in each country in Asia, and there may be the good sides and bad sides. And the good sides is that there are lots of people who may be interested in buying those insurance for the rainy day. On the bad side, there are a lot of countries there that still do not have a good public insurance system, social insurance system. So that, that's why people need to buy private insurance. For example, we had a lot of discussion on the pension today, but there are a lot of countries without a good public pension system in the region. And while there is an increasing trend in the number of private insurance companies and agents, there may be, many people may have to buy pension insurance from the private insurance companies because there are no good pension system, or they do not have eligibility to participate in the public pension system in some countries. And even though there are public pension system, social insurance pension system in place in their countries, the adequacy of pension may be quite low. For example, in the case of Thailand, the ceiling of insurable earnings is 15,000 Thai baht, which is lower than the average wage in general. So even though people have entitlement to participate in the system, they may not expect the adequate level of pensions when they retire, so that many people may have to purchase additional private insurance for their retirement. But the issue of such a private insurance may be the low or relatively low pension annuity compared to what they have to pay as a contribution. So in any case, to fill the coverage gap, the role of public pension or social insurance pension may be really important in this region. And even though such a pension system in place, it may be still important to have the multi-layer pension system to allow participants to have adequate level of pension. And ideally, the social insurance pension can guarantee the adequacy of pension alone. And additionally, such a private pension or a defined contribution pension managed by public entity, it could provide additional opportunities for those who are willing and affordable to pay additional contribution to achieve higher pension in the future when they retire. So overall, there may be still a lot of rooms for discussions and policy developments needed, and there should be different roles that public social insurance pension and private pension can play differently. Thank you very much for listening. Please visit the OECD website on this event so that you can find more information and materials in case if you are interested. Thank you. Good night.